Torchwood Boy, and today we are watching Class. This show is amazing. I fucking love it. This episode is episode 7. It's called The Metaphysical Engine, or What Quill Did. So this is while these guys are detained. We get to find out what happened to Quill, so it's sort of like running parallel with episode 6, which is really cool. Quill's my favourite character. Some people don't like her, but I don't know why. I think you're idiots. I'm joking. But this episode is episode 7. Let's go.
Really will either end today dead, or with your freedom. Then let's begin.
Damn, she is cold as ice. I love
wish
it.
to be free.
I bet you do, babes.
I wonder, is Quill when she's free?
It's a good question.
I am war itself.
Oh, yes you are. What an interesting little device.
2,
Here we go.
1.
What the hell just happened? Where even are we? Oh, are we inside of it? Oh, it's bigger on the inside. I'm not saying anything. Could it be Time Lord technology? Could it be Time Lord technology? It looks bigger on the inside.
Right, well, if you ever do something like that again without warning me, I would pluck the eyelids from your screaming face.
Interesting company we make.
Where are we? This is so cool. Look at, I mean, the graphics of this is, whoa. This is like movie graphics. This is incredible. I'm sincerely impressed.
No. Oh, yes. That is impossible.
What is that?
We are in the birthing grounds of the Arn. We need the
Holy
pheromones of a
shit,
fresh
that's
specimen
an Arn.
to calm the one in your head enough for the procedure. What procedure? But parts of them were, and they dream like us. What comes after? I'm sorry, are you actually saying that we are stood
In the Arn afterlife.
in Arn heaven? Don't be ridiculous. Good.
Ah.
Or in the idea of it. The
Oh.
belief itself making it so.
That's fucking nuts.
Absolutely. It just moved. That's the first time it's ever moved without hurting. You see, it believes.
Oh, I believe. I mean, I know it's a monster, but it's kind of cute.
What they did next, the worst thing they did, made me used to it.
Oh, I feel so bad for her.
Shout my power. Shout my toughness and my danger, but I'm shouting it to children. It's like they just amputated the central part of who I was.
Oh,
Who I am.
bloody
You
hell.
were frozen too.
Oh,
Sorry. This will be horrible.
Oh,
Found the arm. You'll have to be very still. It's releasing. Here it comes.
oh, Jesus Christ.
Quill,
Oh.
Quill, look at me. Look at me. We're about to do a sacred thing.
Oh, great! Just do it quick!
Ah. Jesus. What did he do?
Can I still see? How do I still have my eye?
The blood of my devil, as you call him, allow me to manipulate your flesh.
Oh, very
You
clever.
are scarred.
Well, what good is a soldier without a scar?
Whew! That actually makes sense as well, which is good. I'm glad. That was horrific. That was horrific.
Don't.
Ah.
I have been imprisoned for 2
Jesus.
Yes, move.
My family.
Oh, God, if that's even true.
Is that not a risk you would take yourself?
It's a risk I would take for a fellow soldier.
Oh.
Look away.
I will not.
Ah. No, she can't die. We've seen her.
Do it.
Forgive me.
Oh, I do.
Oh, and that is so clever because we've seen that it can fire back as well in the previous episode. That is so clever.
How much of my life am I losing? You just keep taking. Is that all you ever did? Well, I fought you, and I will still fight you. Because you know what? I am free.
Yes, you are, baby.
I am free.
Yes!
And you are not the last. There is one of you still living. Show me a way out. I suffered in your home world. And I have suffered in your heaven. But I will suffer no more. No more.
No more.
Because I
I'm free.
am war itself.
Itself? Yeah! No! Yes!
Things are gonna change around here.
Is that where we're ending it? Oh, bad girl. Oh, shit. Oh.
No, it can't be.
What? She's pregnant. Holy cow. Holy cow. I'm not watching it, son. That was amazing. Oh, she's pregnant with this baby. It's going to be a lawn / Quill. And obviously with the time, this is exciting. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. That was awesome. You're amazing. I love you all. I'm so excited. You know what? I think Catherine Kelly is playing the role so perfectly. The writing sometimes is a little too whippy. I think sometimes it needs more emotion for her. But I also think that it's played so well as well that she just makes it work. That was incredible. She owned this episode. The supporting characters were awesome as well. The landscape, especially in the Arn Heaven, that was amazing. I was so impressed. It was awesome, and the idea of a metaphysical engine of like you can create anywhere and you can gather ingredients from anywhere by just thinking it is absolutely fantastic and transpose them into the real world. I also noticed that the metaphysical engine was bigger on the inside. Just saying. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day, and I do love you all.